Good day, do you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir. I'm Lady Grace P. Cabantin. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have 3 children. They are all girls, ages 11, 8, and 2 years old. I'm presently residing at Maria Clara Dipon, Quirino. I have 1 brother. I'm the eldest in the family. I'm a college graduate, and I took Bachelor of Science Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked before in Singapore for 2 years. I take care of 1 child, and I also help my employer because she had the surgery on the neck, and they have also 5 dogs. And I also do the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing, and fetching also the child and send to school. And I also work in Hong Kong for 1 year, and I take care of 1 child, and I also do the household chores, like cooking, cleaning, and marketing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and I will inform my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, respectful, I'm hardworking, and loyal.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go abroad because I want to provide a better future for my family, and I want to secure financially stable for my family.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My husband and my mother.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'll just focus on my work and get busy.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I will wake up at 6 a.m.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer, and I will talk to the children nicely.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing nursery song?
Yes, sir. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am. I hope you will select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, I'm loyal, respectful, and loyal. And I promise that I will follow your rules and to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.